Hi, I'm Miss Joy, and you are crafting with In the Bag Kids Crafts. And today I have Simon with me to make, Simon, what are we gonna make today?
Robots.
Oh yes, we're going to make some paper bag robots. And there is a link in the description so that you can craft along. You can just gotta download the parts for your robot. But they are free, you just gotta download them and you can make your robot with us today. Simon, how old are you?
6.
6 years old. So if you're 6 like Simon, you're gonna totally love this craft, or even if you're a little bit older, you're gonna enjoy this craft too. So grab your bag and craft along. Here are all of the items that you're going to need to make the robot puppet. You'll find a link to download all the parts for your puppet in the description. And as always, all of the supplies that we're using today are part of the master list of craft supplies that we use for every single creative project here at In the Bag Kids Crafts. That way, once you fill your bag, you're ready to craft along. Go ahead and pause this so that you can gather all of the items that you need to make your robot puppets with us. So the first thing we need to do is paint our paper bag silver. And we've made our own paintbrushes by pinching a pom-pom with a clothespin, because I don't actually keep any paintbrushes in my kids' craft bag. Did you know that, Simon? It's pretty cool, huh? All right, so those are our paintbrushes. Cheers, man. All right, I'm gonna squeeze out some in the middle and we can both use that then. So we have newspaper down so we don't make a big mess. So all we're gonna do is dip into our silver paint and we're just gonna put a light coat all over our paper bag. And we have the flap side up because we want him to be able to smile and have a face. So you just put it on real light, Simon. So see how I just spread it out all over? And we might speed up our video while we paint this. You'll see it speed up a little bit. Just pause the video if you need to so that you can paint along with us. And don't forget to paint underneath his chin also. Just a real light coat underneath there, Simon. Now that we're all done painting, we're gonna put this aside, let our paper bags dry while we move on to the next step. For the next step of our robot, we're going to cut out the parts for our robot puppet. Now you can print these at inthebagkidscrafts.com and I will put the link in the description. They are free to print out. You just gotta go and print them out. So we are going to pick some eyes for our robot and a mouth and maybe something else for his head. And we're just gonna start cutting out some pieces. Now Simon picked out some parts before we got started and he's gonna be cutting his pieces out too as we go. He picked out some eyes and some arms and legs. All right, Simon, you go ahead and cut yours out. I'm gonna cut mine out at the same time. And we might speed this up a little bit too, just so you can see all the parts done. So for our last step of our robot puppet craft, we have all the things we cut out, our now dry paper bag, and a glue stick. So Simon, all we're gonna do is put the pieces in place that we made. So we're just gonna take these, and this one's his mouth, and I'm gonna glue it in place right where it goes. You can go ahead and put all your pieces in place also. And everyone's robot puppet should look totally different. Yours should not look anything like mine because you are unique, just like your puppet is. Oh, I like that, Simon. That looks really cool at the top there. So fun. It's got like a special little hat. I think I'm gonna give mine a hat too, but he's gonna have a different hat.
Yep, you definitely have a hat.
Yep.
I see it.
You see it? Excellent. We made our robots silver, but if you don't have silver paint, you could have chosen any color that you want. Oh, I didn't need all that glue on him. That's gonna be his arm.
So I have a perfect idea.
Oh, good. What is your idea?
So like when like open it, put your hand in there a little bit.
Yeah.
You can actually move the teeth.
Uh-huh.
So like I can like cut it like that.
Oh, okay. So we might need to get some scissors and do that.
Yeah.
Okay. I like it. Look at these. They look so cute. High five. Simon, that was so much fun. High five, man. You did a great job. I love how you want to show them how you made your mouth like open and close on your robot. See, our robots are totally different and yours should be too. Look, these are totally different robots. Everyone is unique and your robots are gonna be just as unique as you are. You're gonna come and craft with me again sometime, Simon?
Sure.
Oh, I love it. I'm so excited and hope you'll keep crafting along with us too. Don't forget to go ahead and grab your template, the link below, so that you can make your robot puppets too. Have a great day. Happy crafting.